सो आज हमारे साथ एक ऐसी टैलेंटेड ऑथर है रूबी कपूर, जिन्होंने अपनी लाइफ की हर कहानी को एक किताब में उतारा है। और आई एम श्योर इस किताब को पढ़ने में जो मज़ा मुझे आया है वो सबको आएगा, और आप इस किताब के बारे में सबको बताएंगे। क्योंकि आज जब हम किसी ऑथर से बात कर रहे हैं तो आई एम श्योर सिर्फ एक ऑथर नहीं है, आपकी लाइफ के सारे एक्सपीरियंसेस एक किताब के अंदर हैं। और आज वो किताब आपके हाथ में है। मैं चाहूँगी कि आप सबको वो किताब दिखाइए और बताइए कि इस किताब को लिखने से पहले लाइफ के जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, लाइफ के जो चैप्टर्स हैं, लाइफ में जो आपको लगा कि कुछ इंस्पायर किया कि अभी किताब लिखनी चाहिए, वो क्या होगी। एंड वेलकम टू रेडियो ऑलिव।
Thank you very much, Muskan. That was so kind of you. I must say you're very generous with your compliments.
Thank you. Yes.
And your name matches your smile.
Thank you.
So keep that Muskan on every time. And thank you for having me here. This book, Let's Talk About Life, it is quite a journey. It has been quite a journey. And yes, we are a sum total of all that we learn in life and all that we live through in life. So there are snippets from that which every human being, har insan goes through at some point of time in their life. Nobody can escape it because this is life and we've got to go through all the learnings.
Yes.
So it goes back a long way. Very many years ago, I had not planned to write a book.
Okay.
In fact, I'm not even a writer.
Okay.
I'm just
तो वो कौन सा
I am
incident
just
है?
an accidental author. And वो कौन सा incident is actually I was an RJ like you.
Oh, really?
Yes, and
Oh my
that also
God.
happened quite by accident. तो लोगों से बातें करते करते I learned so much about how people think, what their emotional quotient is, their bandwidth, their state of mind, etc. तो उसके बाद जब मुझे मौका मिला to write for a newspaper, I had enough content.
Wow.
And thereafter, every time I went out at social gatherings, etc., people used to tell me, "Oh my God, I love your article," and I cut it out and I gave it to my staff. I gave it to the students. I put it up on the notice board,
Nice.
and I was really taken aback with the kind of feedback I got. तो एक दिन मैंने मजाक से कह दिया कि don't worry about it. You don't have to cut it out. We'll do something about it. और मैंने तो ऐसे ही अपनी धुनकी में कह दिया because it sounded so dramatic.
Yeah.
But I hadn't given it much thought. But a while later, we were leaving the country, and I thought to myself that, hey, this country, Mauritius, has given me so many opportunities and a lot of love, a lot of adulation, and trusted me implicitly with every creative aspect of mine. So I should give back something to the country that gave me so much. And so I decided to compile all my articles, and because it's a French-speaking country, I made it into a bilingual book,
Okay.
English and French.
Nice.
So that the people who, of course, read English and the one who read French and the one who read both the languages can enjoy the nuances in both the language. That's how it came about.
Yes. जब हम कोई किताब लिखते हैं तो अपने लाइफ के डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंसेस, डिफरेंट चैप्टर्स को उसमें एक साथ लेकर आते हैं। सो लाइफ का कोई ऐसा चैप्टर जो आप लिखना चाहते हो लेकिन आपने उस किताब में नहीं लिखा?
उस वक्त तो I just wrote.
हाँ.
Right? It just happened organically. But now I realize ये चीजें अंदरूनी आती हैं कभी कभी. At least मेरे लिए तो अंदरूनी आई हैं. About 10 years ago, I was in Bombay a lot. Okay, though my husband was here, I was in Bombay a lot, caretaking my mum, who was quite unwell. तो रात को मैं जब बैठती थी ना, I started writing again, and I wrote another book. पर 10 सालों से वो डमी कॉपी पड़ी हुई है. Okay. About 2 months ago, I decided to dig it out and said, यार मैंने लिखा क्या था, जरा पढ़ूँ तो सही, and let me see what I can do with it. And I have to say, Muskan, I was pleasantly surprised, also a bit shocked कि जो articles और जो topics I have touched upon are so relevant today. अब 10 साल पहले वो कहाँ से आए? They came from inside somewhere. They weren't even being spoken about as much. Even a simple thing like loving yourself wasn't spoken about as much. Right? And I don't know where it came from, but I had written those articles. So ab jab I read those articles, I was like, oh my God, these are so relevant today, so I must do something about it and release this book as well. This is what I'm working on right now.
Nice.
I've gone back to the storyboard, so to speak,
Nice.
and refreshing all those articles, re-editing them, etc., and hopefully by the end of the year, you'll have Let's Talk About Life again.
Oh my
2.0 version.
So मैंने जब ये किताब पढ़ी तो I'm like, oh my God, everything is so good. I mean, जब हम लाइफ के बारे में बात करते हैं ना, तो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से हम बहुत बड़ी चीज़ें सीखते हैं। और
छोटी छोटी
ऐसे-
चीजें, वेरी वेल
Exactly.
सेड।
और इस किताब में भी वैसे ही लिखा हुआ है। और अगर मैं आपकी राइटिंग फिलॉसफी के बारे में पूछूं, तो जब आप कुछ लिखते हो तो कोई फिलॉसफी, कोई स्ट्रक्चर है जिसको आप बैक ऑफ द माइंड रहता है?
I have discovered again quite by accident that my writing style is very simplistic. जैसे मैं बात करती हूँ ना, वैसे मैं लिखती हूँ. So the
किसी को भी
feedback,
समझ में आएगा।
हाँ, ये तो सबको समझ आएगा because I don't believe in heavy duty fundas that you read the entire page or pages and then you wonder यार इसने लिखा क्या है, you know, and wonder that I need to go back and read the page again कि कोई समझ आए. So I write it short and sweet for all of us who are attention deficit these days and we have very little time. So जैसे आप कहते हो ना संक्षेप में, is that the word, right? In short,
In short, summary.
it's like a summary, you get the gist of it.
Yes.
And everybody is educated, so empowered these days. That is enough for them.
True.
To trigger them and to rewire their brain or to nudge them in the right direction or to just remind them like, yeah, really, actually, yeah, I mean, I'm so silly. I've been neglecting it क्योंकि रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में I'm so busy, I'm not paying attention. It's all there. So yeah, my writing style is very simple, short and sweet. And you will feel like I'm your friend through the book because I write the way I talk.
या यू नो व्हाट, एक कोइंसिडेंस है, मैं आपको बताती हूँ। आज सुबह ही मैंने एक नया वर्ड सीखा, येलो पर्सन। ओके, तो इसका जो मतलब है वो है कि येलो पर्सन मीन्स कोई ऐसा पर्टिकुलर पर्सन जिसके पास आप जाके अपनी सारी दिल की बात कहो और वो आपको जज नहीं करेगा।
Is that so?
एंड आपकी बुक का जो कवर है, इट्स लाइक सेम।
Oh my goodness, this is a revelation.
Yes. So I was like, oh my God, जब मैं सुबह किताब और वो दोनों पढ़ रही थी तो मुझे लगा येलो, ऐसा कोई कनेक्शन है?
I didn't even know about it, but thank you for telling me. But yes, yellow is one of your chakras.
Yeah.
Okay, yellow is sunshine. That's what you wake up to every morning is sunshine. Somehow yellow inspires me. जब मैं किसी को देखती हूँ ना कि yellow पहना हुआ है, it's a yellow frame of mind, really happy, sunshiny, bubbly. A lot of youngsters, because this book is for all age groups, all genders, and a lot of
सबके लिए ये येलो पर्सन है।
yellow person hai. And this young girl, she was constantly walking around literally with that book, Jhappi Paake jaise, they called her the girl with the yellow book in her office. And she was working at the World of Astoria and they called her the girl with the yellow book. So her colleagues who have come, a lot of youngsters come from all parts of the globe. And pehli baar ghar se nikle hain, young adults hain, they are lost, they don't have family around. So they used to want to borrow her book and she used to scribble in it so much and write because this book is in a journal format. और उन्होंने कहा कि हमें भी चाहिए. So I remember once I went to the office and there were about 15-20 of them who bought the book from me, and I've got a photograph of showing that how they were dancing as if they've got a lollipop or something in their hand. They were so excited, and it, the thought crossed my brain that I would love as many people to be the yellow person or the girl or the boy with the yellow book, make it like a domino effect. It should be like a movement, the yellow movement, the sunshine movement.
एक सवाल है जो मेरे मन में हमेशा आता है कि इस किताब को पढ़ने के बाद
हाँ जी,
हर पर्सन एक अलग नजरिए से किताब पढ़ता है और फिर कुछ नया सीखता है। बट आप एज अगर रीडर मैं कहूँ कि इस किताब को अगर देखेंगे तो ऐसा क्या होगा जो आप चाहते हो कि हर रीडर एटलीस्ट इस बुक से ये तो सीखे ही?
सीखने को तो बहुत है. If you're open to seeing, if you're going to be receptive to it, there's a lot you can learn from it, right? And it will, it's not that it's rocket science what I've written, okay? It's what everybody knows intrinsically, it's within themselves. It's just that they're not paying enough attention to themselves and they're not loving themselves sufficiently. So when you read it, it should trigger your dil or dimag. Okay, where you're inspired to perhaps write it down. Let's say you're going through a confusion or you're going through a situation. This will help bring in clarity because there's simplicity in clarity and clarity in simplicity. Correct? So, कई बार हमारे दिमाग is like, a roll of wool all tangled up. Getting jumbled up the more we overthink, and we all overthink, right? So kabhi it's so important, not kabhi, all the time nowadays. In fact, every therapist, every counselor will tell you this is the go-to way. This is your self-help way of writing it down. And you keep writing whatever you feel, you will see that the answers will come to you. क्योंकि तुम्हारे ब्रेन में वो उधेर बुन नहीं चल रही. You know, you've actually put it down on paper. When you put it down on paper, you can see that A plus B or 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 or whatever else, right? So it's very important that you start journaling. And a lot of people say, oh, but I don't write. I don't know how to journal. So I would just tell them, I didn't know how to write as well. I just wrote. अब दिल से जो भी लिखोगे अच्छा है. There's no good and bad to it.
True.
Right?
These pointers बना के लिखो.
Yes, and because there are 52 articles in this book, it's actually one for every week. तुम चाहे हर रोज पढ़ो, हर हफ्ते पढ़ो, 6 महीने में एक बार किताब होके randomly you can open to any page and read it. It doesn't matter. But there are prompts. Because there are so many articles, when you open it, whatever resonates with you, you will have a thought about it. It's impossible to say कि नहीं मैंने उस बारे में कुछ सोचा ही नहीं है, ना मैंने वो experience किया है. हम सब ने एक्सपीरियंस किया है, सोचा है, have suffered from it as well at times, you know, been confused about it. That starts your journaling journey.
Yes. और जब आपके पास कोई ना हो, you know, your yellow person is not there, then the book is there.
और कई बार कोई नहीं होता.
हाँ.
Let me tell you, जब वो कहते हैं ना we come alone, we live alone and we die alone is actually very true. ठीक है, बहन भाई माँ बाप चाचे भतीजे सहेलियाँ बिलानियाँ सब होती हैं, लेकिन सब अपनी अपनी एक जर्नी और अपनी अपनी एक पाथ फॉलो कर रहे हैं. And at times when you need them most, they are not around. Or at times when you talk to them, they are clueless about where you're coming from, or because each one's situation is so different. You know, their background, their thoughts, their challenges, etc. तो कभी आप पूरा डिटेल में उनको नहीं बता सकते और उनकी कैपेसिटी भी नहीं होगी समझने की. You know, sometimes they may not have that ability and it's not like you're blaming them or you're not finding fault with them. पर उसमें उतनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है यार. Do you know what I'm saying? So therefore this becomes your personal space. It becomes your best friend. तो तुम जो मन में आए लिख सकते हो, कभी भी लिख सकते हो. There is no judgment here. There is no proving here. The book is not going to talk back at you and say तुम गलत लिख रहे हो या तुम्हारा स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग है या तुम्हारी सोच ऑफ बीट है. It is not going to talk back at you. And isn't it wonderful to have somebody to talk to जो back chat नहीं करे तुमसे.
तुम्हें तुम्हारी गलत चीजें ना बताए, सिर्फ तुम्हारी फीलिंग्स को सुने और समझे
और चुप बैठे. Yes, and absorb it all.
हम लड़कियों को और क्या ही चाहिए.
हम लड़कियों को और क्या चाहिए. Actually लड़कों को भी वही चाहिए. They don't want their girlfriends or wives or anyone else or even other guys to backchat and tell them because सबकी आजकल ego इतनी huge है and everybody thinks they're so righteous. सुनना नहीं चाहता या उनमें वो सहन शक्ति नहीं है. You know, and I'm not blaming anybody. I am also one of those sometimes where I don't want to take criticism and I don't want to because कोई किसी का बोलने का तरीका अलग होगा या उस particular moment में I'm not ready to engage in that. There might be another time where I will and I will say, oh, I'm so sorry, I didn't mean it like that. पर हर वक्त equal नहीं रहता. So this is good for you to talk, speak, write, whatever, and the answers will come to you and you will find changes growing within yourself very organically.
Very true. So आज हमने सिर्फ यही बोला था कि let's talk about life और आज लाइफ के हर चैप्टर के बारे में बात कर लिए क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है हम सब सेम रास्ते पर है. We are working, we are struggling, we are overthinking और वो सारी चीजें आपको इस किताब में मिल भी जाती है.
Yes, of course.
And let's talk about life again.
Let's talk about life
जब वो
again.
दोबारा बुक आएगी तो हम श्योर हम दोबारा मिलेंगे.
Of course. और उतने तक हम बार बार मिलते रहेंगे because there'll be always situations, there'll be always moments where we want to talk about certain things and have the aha moment.
I have one segment in my show.
हाँ जी.
10:15 पे वो रोज आता है जिसमें मैं एक किताब के बारे में बात करती हूँ which is always self help book और कभी कभी रोम कॉम किताबें क्योंकि मुझे रोम कॉम बुक्स बहुत पसंद है जिनकी एंडिंग्स बहुत अच्छी होती है. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर मैं बहुत ज्यादा अपना टाइम इन्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ किसी किताब में तो उसकी एंडिंग अच्छी होनी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
एंड खराब है ना तो आई एम लाइक कि ये फिर मुझे
लेट्स रीराइट दैट स्टोरी.
सो आई एम लाइक दैट. तो सबने मुझे बोला कि कुछ ऐसी किताबें पढ़ो जिनका एंड मतलब हैप्पी ना हो. हर तरह का एंड जो होता है वो पढ़ने की कोशिश करो सो दैट तुम और ज्यादा सोच पाओ. तो मैंने बोला नहीं, आई हैव माई ओन यूनिवर्स, आई हैव माई ओन वर्ल्ड. मुझे बस हैप्पी एंडिंग देखनी है ना. सो इस किताब को देखकर पढ़कर मुझे ऐसा लगा कि वेरी लाइट, वेरी पॉजिटिव बुक और सबको पढ़नी चाहिए.
It helps you with your positive mindset and this will give you happiness and contentment and a sense of fulfillment in a different way.
True.
Because it will give you the answers. You know, on so many little things, you will be able to find the answers from within yourself. और एक बार तुम्हें वो जवाब मिल जाए, and you know, you're able to go forth with it or find a solution to any challenge that you're facing. ऑटोमेटिकली तुम अच्छे मूड में होगे. You know?
लाइफ में ऑलरेडी ऐसी स्ट्रेस वाली चीजें हैं, तो हम क्यों खुद से स्ट्रेस ले.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. So here you will find sunshine at the end of it, because you will discover answers for yourself without anybody having to tell you. And that itself, it's so empowering, Muskan. You know that you're capable कि अपनी सोच को तुम right track पे रख के you deliver and then walk that path.
Yes. Such a nice conversation with you, और
Thank
बहुत
you.
मजा आया आपसे बात करके.
Thank
you so much for
Thank
coming.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you
And
so
I will
much.
say कि कतर में जितने भी लोग हैं वो आपकी किताब के बारे में पढ़ें. मेरे जितने भी listeners हैं जो हर दिन मुझे नई नई किताबों के बारे में बताते हैं, so उनको मैं बताऊंगी कि let's talk about life कितनी important है.
Yes,
By
and
Ruby Kapoor.
I'd like to add something here, if I may.
Yes.
One is, this book is available on Amazon worldwide, and it makes a great gift for no reason at all. तुम्हारी फ्रेंड का बर्थडे और तुम यही सोचते रहो कि उसको ये बैग दूं या वो शेड लिपस्टिक का दूं, और आजकल सबके पास सब कुछ होता है. So it's nice to give them something of wisdom which can last them a lifetime. So it's available on Amazon, or in Doha it's available directly from me. You can all follow me on my YouTube channel as well as Instagram. It goes by Unfiltered with Ruby. One more interesting
Yes.
thing, since I spoke about journaling, you know, we have Valentine's coming up, and we have spent our entire lifetimes thinking कि ये boyfriend, husband, girlfriend, इसको उसको सबने फूल देने हैं, you know, hearts देने हैं, and all that nonsense we've lived through, that Valentine bubble we live in, but we have forgotten to love ourselves enough.
True.
And we need to start doing that. So I'm having a journaling session on the 13th of February
Okay.
at Tawar Mall
Okay.
between 3 to 6.
And कोई भी आ सकता है.
कोई भी आ सकता है. It's an introduction to journaling, and the topic we are going to cover this time is self-love.
Wow.
The session costs $125, which is going to be a book as well as coffee. And for people who already have the book, they will just be paying 45 Qatari riyals for the session. And I think the more the merrier. Please do come and enjoy being in a safe place and writing and, you know, discovering new facets about yourself.
Yes.
It's a must try.
And I'm sure वहाँ पर हम दोबारा मिलेंगे और बहुत नए लोगों से मिलेंगे और
Yes.
उनसे नया सीखेंगे और
And you will realize that intrinsically we are all the same, you know, because suddenly you'll make new friends and somebody else is talking about some issue and you realize you're in a safe place, nobody is judging you. So the other one gets inspired to talk. So there'll be a very shy girl and there'll be somebody who's a chatterbox and somebody who's unsure about something, you know, all different moods and moments, but how they will amalgamate so beautifully. Everyone will embrace one another with their imperfections.
yeah, I'm sure that will be
Yes.
amazing.
So Tawar Mall on the 13th, 3 to 6.
Okay, I'll be there.
Wow, I look forward
After
to
my
seeing
show.
you there.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Yes,
Yeah.
you should.
So thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so
ma'am.
much for having
Thank
me,
you.
Muskan. Thank you.